that the computer works in 3 steps: input, process, output. This is known as IPO cycle. Ma'am, can you explain us about IPO cycle a little more?
Sure. Before we discuss about IPO cycle, let us look around us. I will give you some examples of IPO cycle from our daily life. Let us see how does a washing machine work. We put dirty clothes in the machine and select the mode. Both these steps are inputs. Then the machine washes the clothes, which is a process. Once the process is completed, we get washed and clean clothes, which is the output. Here we see that washing machine also have an input, process, output cycle. Let us take another example. To heat food in a micro oven, we put food inside it, which is the input. It heats the food, which is a process, and provides us with hot food, which is the output. Now, can you give me an example?
In a calculator, we type number and operations, which is an input. The calculator then performs the operation, which is the process, and we get the result after putting is equal to sign, which is the output.
Yes, very good example. Let us now understand the IPO cycle of a computer. We already know that the IPO cycle has 3 steps: input, process, and output. Let us understand the first step, that is input. The words, numbers, images, and symbols entered in a computer are called data. The orders given to a computer are known as instructions. Input is the data and instructions given to the computer. We can enter data and instructions into the computer through input devices. Kids, can you give examples of the input devices?
Ma'am, are keyboard and mouse input devices?
Yes, that's correct. Let me show you. This is a keyboard. We type instructions on the keyboard. So, keyboard is an input device. This is a mouse. We open files by clicking on them using mouse. So, mouse is also an input device. Similarly, microphone, joystick, etc. are also input devices. To know more about the input devices, you can refer to our video on input devices. Step 2 is the process. It is the action of converting the input into a meaningful information or result. The process of converting input into output is done by a processing device. Do you know the name of the processing device in the computer? Computer has only one processing device. It is CPU, which is a shorter form for Center Processing Unit. Step 3 is the output. After processing, computer gives the result. This result is called the output. Can you tell me, where do we see this result?
We can see the result on computer screen or on monitor.
Correct. We see the output on the output devices. Monitor is an output device. Now, can you tell me which output device can produce the sound?
We can hear sound from speakers.
Correct! Speaker is also an output device. Now, let us look at these pictures and tell which one is input, process, or output. Inserting an ATM card and entering the amount. Counting of money by ATM. Dispensing the money.
Inserting ATM card and writing the amount is input. Counting of money by ATM is processing, and dispensing the required amount is the output.
Let us take another example. Starting computer and opening MS Word. Typing a letter. Printing the completed letter.
Here, starting computer and opening MS Word is input, typing a letter is process, and printing the completed letter is the output.
Let us now revise what we have learned. What is the full form of IPO cycle?
Full form of IPO cycle is input, processing, and output.
Does the given picture show the correct order of IPO cycle for heating water?
No, the given picture is not in the right order. It should be normal water, then heater, and then hot water.
What is data?
Data is a collection of text, numbers, or symbols.
What is the name of the processing device in a computer?
CPU or Central Processing Unit.
For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Headstart Learning.